Life is about having different opinions. This is why it is said that variety is the spice of life. Since we all have different opinions, we can agree or disagree but respect each other's views. Today, we're going to look at words and phrases that we use when we agree or disagree with someone in Nigerian Pidgin English. Welcome to BDNP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. Number 4. Let's start with expressing agreement. I agree with you 100%. I agree with you 100%. I agree with you, die. That not true. That not sure banker. You dey absolutely right. Life. Life. That na exactly how I feel. Exactly. Life. I support Papa. No doubt I beg. Me sef gree. Me sef gree. You get point, sha. You get point, sha. Now, let's look at expressing disagreement. Me sef no gree. Me sef no gree. I no think so. Say who die. Say who die. I no gree. I no gree. Lie, lie. E no necessary. That one no be true. That no be always the case. No, I no dey sure about that. Lie, lie. Lie, lie. Say wetin. Say wetin happen. Thanks for watching today. We'll continue with more expressions in our next lesson. Make the best of your day, and bye for now.